In 1694, a young Scottish gambler named John Law killed a man in a duel over a woman, was convicted of murder, and then sentenced to death. He escaped prison and fled to mainland Europe with nothing but a talent for cards and a head for numbers. 22 years later, that same convicted murderer would talk one of the most powerful governments in Europe into printing paper money on a scale nobody had ever attempted, triggering a financial mania so extreme it briefly made ordinary people millionaires, a word some historians say was coined specifically to describe what happened next. And when it all came crashing down, he'd leave France so shaken by the experience that the country wouldn't build a real central bank again for another 80 years. Here's why a fugitive's card table math from 3 centuries ago still matters. Nearly every major economy on Earth today runs on paper or digital currency that isn't backed by gold or silver at all. Currency that only works because people trust it will hold its value. That trust had to be built somewhere, by someone for the first time. And one of the very first large-scale experiments in exactly that idea was not run by a careful economist, but by a gambler with a criminal record, testing his theories on an entire nation's economy in real time. This is the story of how that experiment briefly succeeded beyond anyone's imagination and how spectacularly and instructively it failed.